Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Dogelon Mars has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. You can see that after the breakout, the price line imminently also broke out another up channel as well, and also broke out this quite long-term resistance of 0.000000 $25, and now it is trying to break out the next long-term resistance of 3850 that has been previously breaking as a strong resistance here, and almost as a support here as well. This is the second week, by the way. It is trying to break out the resistance. And at the same time, you can see that Dogelon Mars is also trying to break out this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. That was breaking as a very strong resistance for the past several months. And now we can see that it is crossing up the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And at the same time, you can see that this lagging span, this green line, is very close to hit this cloud. And once it will be able to cross it up, that will be another very powerful buying signal on this 7 days time frame chart. And after that, I'm expecting that it can start a very, very massive and long-term rally. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for CHR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 19th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several months and even years, it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. We found the support resistance here in the month of October 2021, when the price line was also got rejected by this long-term resistance of 5 times 0.22760. And after that, the price line several times got rejected by this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. We got a few rejections here, almost 2 more rejections here, and 1 more ejection here, and several ejections from the month of October 2023 up till the month of Feb 2024. And after getting squeezed, finally we broke out the resistance of this wedge here in the month of Feb 2024, in the last week of Feb 2024. By the way, when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern, at the same time we also found the support and resistance of this up channel just before the breakout here, 2 months before the breakout. In the month of July 2023, you can see we found the resistance here, support here, then we got few more ejections here, and again we had another bounce, and finally we have broken out the resistance of this up channel. And now it is trying to break out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and you can see that this lagging span of Ichimoku bearish cloud is also likely to cross up this Ichimoku bearish cloud very soon. You can see that right now we are very close to hit the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And after that, imminently it can also, once it will be able to break out this lower bands, then imminently it can also break out the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well, because the candlestick has almost crossed up the upper bands. And you can see that the cloud is now flipping into a bullish cloud from bearish cloud. That is another very, very nice and bullish gesture on this 7 days time frame chart. And now this cloud can work as a very strong and long-term support for the price line of Dogelon Mars. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this breakout from this wedge and from this down channel as well, then target for the breakout from this channel is here, slightly beyond this resistance of 3850, and the target is approximately at 450. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of this wedge, that is 6 times 0, 22760. So this was the update so far I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.